Good morning, students. Today we will discuss another type of integration, type 10. It is 1 by ax square plus bx plus c into dx, or 1 by root over of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. In this case, what will be the rule? First rule is make denominator a perfect square. Make denominator a perfect square. Next is use appropriate formula of integration. These two steps needs to solve this type of equations, right? Come to one example. Dx by 2x square plus 3x plus dx by 2x square plus 3x plus 4. To make it a perfect square denominator, x square must be a perfect multiplied with a perfect factor. Here 2 is not a perfect factor, so take it out. If it is 4, 9 or this, then we can make it a perfect square. যদি 2 nothing 4 9 থাকতে তাহলে আমি perfect square করে পারতামতে, so make 1 by 2 common, so it is dx by x square plus 3x by 2 plus 4 by 2. Now to make it a perfect square, let us do it half into integration of dx by x square plus 2 into x into 3 by 4, 2ab, so plus 3 by 4 whole square plus 2 minus 3 by 4 whole square. To make it a perfect square, a square 2ab b square, so b square টা minus করছি equal to half into dx by x plus 3 by 4 whole square plus 2 minus 9 by 16, right? This is equal to half into integration of dx by x plus 3 by 4 whole square plus 16 to 32, 32 minus 9, 32 minus 9 is 23, 23 by 16, 23 by 16. Now take z equals to x plus 3 by 4. Take z is equal to x plus 3 by 4. So dz by dx is what? 1. So what about dz? dz is equal to dx. So the integration reduces to half into integration of 1 by dz by z square plus root 23 by 4 whole square, z square plus root 23 by 4 whole square, dx by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, so it is 1 by 2, it is 1 by root 23 by 4 into tan inverse z by root 23 by 4 plus c. Here 4 will be cancelled with 2, it is 2 by root 23 tan inverse 4z by root 23 plus c. Now in place of z you put the value 2 by root 23 into tan inverse 4 into z value is x plus 3 by 4 by root 23 this plus c, multiply 4 and you will get the final answer. Come to another example. Dx by root over of 5 minus x square plus 4x. In case of x square is a negative number, you take common from negative minus common from x square and the x term. To make it perfect square, look at dx by root over of 5 minus x square minus 4x equal to dx by root over of 5 plus 4 minus x square minus 4x plus 4. To make it a perfect square, we just add 4. Actually, it will be minus 4. To adjust it, we take plus 4. This is equal to dx by root over of 9 minus x minus 2 whole square. Let z is equal to x minus 2. dz by dx is equals to 1. So, dz is equal to dx. So, we write here dz by root over of 9 minus z square. It is sine inverse z by 3 plus c. It is sine inverse z by 3 plus c, and in place of z we write x minus 2. Sine inverse x minus 2 by 3 plus c. This is the answer. Come to type 11, one another question, another type. It is of the form px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. This is first bit where p, q, a, b, c are the constants. Second is px plus q by root over of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Look at, here is the rule that numerator is equal to alpha into denominator derivative plus beta. N is equal to alpha d dash plus beta. What is n? N is numerator. N is numerator. D dash, derivative of denominator. Derivative of denominator. Derivative of denominator. Alpha, beta are constants. Come to one question for this type. Integration of 3x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Look at, what is denominator? Here is denominator x square plus x plus 1. What is denominator? 3x plus 1. We write n equal to alpha d dash plus beta. N is what? 3x plus 1 is equal to alpha into derivative of denominator. Its derivative is 2x plus 1. X square derivative 2x, x derivative 1, 1 derivative 0. So it is 2x plus 1 plus beta is equal to 2 alpha x plus alpha plus beta. Look at, what is 2 alpha? X coefficient equal to x coefficient. 2 alpha is equal to 3. Alpha plus beta equal to, alpha plus beta is equals to 1. Alpha is 3 by 2. Beta is equal to 1 minus alpha. 1 minus 3 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. So beta is minus 1 by 2 and alpha is 3 by 2. So we write integration of 3x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 into dx equal to alpha into 2x plus 1 plus beta by x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Alpha is 3 by 2, beta is 1 by 2. 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1 into dx. This is one integration. Plus, what is beta? Beta is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 into dx by x square plus x plus 1. Right. So, its derivative is in the numerator. When the numerator is the derivative of denominator, so we write logarithm, log of x square plus x plus 1. Keep remember a formula, integration of f dash x by f of x into dx is log of fx plus c. If denominator is the derivative of, if the numerator is the derivative of denominator, then it will be the logarithm, right? Minus half into, come to the previous type 10, make it a perfect square. Dx by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 1 by 4, right? We will simplify it again. We will simplify it again. So this is 3 by 2 log of x square plus x plus 1 minus half into dx by x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4. Let u is equal to x plus 1 by 2, du by dx is equal to 1 or du is equal to dx. So it is 3 by 2 log of x square plus x plus 1 minus 1 by 2 du by u square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2 whole square. And here is dx by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So it is equal to 3 by 2 log of x square plus x plus 1 minus half into 1 by root 3 by 2 tan inverse u by root 3 by 2 this much plus c, 2 to cancel and you now simplify to put the value u, you get the final answer of this integration.